ready to explore more of who Bel Mariano is beyond the screen and stage. So baka Nina's kind of asking, do you want to explore writing or producing or directing?
Of course. You know, yun nga po, like, I appreciate what we do in front of the camera, but also what happens behind the camera. And that's one thing that I also want to venture in, hopefully in the future. Syempre, pag ano na, if I'm equipped with the right tools na, and I can be available for that type of, kasi syempre, iba yung stress dito, iba naman yung stress dun. So, syempre, we have to equip ourselves with the right tools. And I'm so happy kasi even on set, we learn from them. I learned from Direct, I learned from our DOP, I learned from the people behind the camera. And what they do is something that I really appreciate. And I look up to them because it really takes a village to create something so beautiful. So I really want to venture. I want to try writing too. Yun nga po, in terms of music, yun yung problem. Kunento ko rin to kanina. Pero magaling ako magsimula ng music. Pero napapansin ko, yung struggle ko is how to end it. Yes. But I'm so happy kasi nga, I encounter so many amazing composers, so many amazing writers that I take advices from them and I apply it to what I'm doing. So, we'll see, hopefully in the future.
I can see Mommy right here. Mommy Cat
Ay,
is right
andyan
over
pala
there.
si Mommy.
I know. Si Mommy, ikaw na lang magsalta kasi hindi ko may interview yan unless umupo siya dito sa harapan natin. Anong naging reaction ni Mommy Cat pag nakikita niya yung mga projects mo, big projects that come your way? Ano yung...
Mommy, anong reaction mo daw?
Lalapitan ko na lang ba? Lalapitan ko na lang ba si Mommy? Sige, lapitan lang natin. Mami, dali na. Alam mo naman, minsan lang tong tsikahan na to. Tayo-tayo lang naman.
Tayo lang to, Mom.
Wala mga tao dyan. Ano yan, mga yan? Mga manikin lang. Ay, ayan na. Nalaglag na ang telepono. Pahawak muna yan.
Mom, what would you say? Joke lang.
No, ano reaction mo, Mami Kat? Pag naririnig mo na, Belle's going to do this project, tapos doing an album, then a concert.
Of course, I'm very proud of her. Yan, nakakataba ng puso.
No-overwhelm ka?
Sometimes, yeah, sa schedule niya, na-overwhelm ako.
Pero nagugulat ka na now na, eto na, may big contract signing yung anak ko. May ganun ka na.
Yes, of course. And I'm very happy for her.
Pero do you still get to give her reminders? Kasi parang may sarili na ring isip si Belle, no? She gets to decide on her own, on projects to accept. Pero paano pa rin to make sure na you're still there reminding her of some of the important things in life?
Syempre, lagi ko siya remind na always be grounded. And yun lang.
The family keeps her grounded, no?
Yes.
Thank you, Mami, Salamat.
Thanks, Mom.
Diyos ko, ang lamig ng kamay.
Yeah.
Hello.
Mommy, umalis na tuloy.
Oy, hindi po scripted yun. Sobrang unscripted po. Ayan,
Thank
umexit
you,
tuloy.
Mom.
Walk out ng Studio 4. Ano na? Oh, first time din ma-interview.
na,
Ay,
Mom.
thank you. At least, di ba?
Yeah. And it's her birthday, so happy birthday,
Oh,
Mom.
hindi man lang namin nakantahan.
Bukas pa actually.
Ay, bukas pa. Asa
But
ng-
happy
ano?
birthday, Mommy.
Asa lang papansit? Bel, ano to?
Ay, may pa-donkey po
Kakapirma
tayo
mo lang,
dyan.
walang papansit dito?
Ay, sorry po. Magpahanda na daw tayo. Joke lang.
Okay, next question is from Danielle. Danielle, say hi to Bel. Ayan.
Hi po, Daniel.
How was your experience working with Piolo, JK, Joshua, and the Diamond Star on the set of Meet, Greet, and Buy?
Wow.
Nabisita ko na yan sila, Bel.
Yeah, ang saya, right? Sobrang saya ng set namin, totoo lang. Para talaga kaming naging pamilya. Na parang even on and off cam, alam mong hindi kami mapapaghiwalay. I mean, when we first met each other, of course, kinakabahan ako. Of course, it's the Diamond Star, it's Papa P, like Joshua, JK. They're so good at what they do. And parang they inspire me to want to do better in what I do, even on set. And I'm so happy kasi more than just friends, we actually became a family na.
Did you have a hard time fitting in? Or there was no hard time at all?
Of course there was, pero Derek was really guiding us talaga eh. Kasi I want to differentiate my character now from the previous ones that I've done.
Okay.
And plus, panganay po ko sa magkakapatid. And I play a bunso here.
So, baliktad.
So, baliktad talaga. So, sabi ko, paano ba maging bunso? So, parang, minsan, in-observe ko rin yung bata kong kapatid, paano siya maging bunso, plus, unika iha nga. So, parang ibang-iba talaga yung dynamic. And, Direct's just there guiding me. I take pointers from her. Si Inay, she's so kind. I love her. I love Inay so much because I did my first scene with her, which kaming dalawa lang. Syempre, nakaka-pressure yun.
Take
Oh
one?
Hindi ko, may mga takes syempre. Pero kinabahan ako noon. Sabi ko, hala, paano yun? Pero si Inay, she's so, grabe yung pag-advise niya sa akin. Talagang, naging nanay talaga siya sa akin. Sabi niya, anak, hinga ka ng malalim, tapos i-deliver mo yung line mo.
Right.
Tingnan mo, mas tatagos yung pag-deliver mo ng line mo. Tapos sabi ko, trinay ko, sabi ni Direk, okay na yun. Then let's go, move on. Tapos sabi ko, wow, ganun pala. It's so nice to be able to work with these amazing actors.
Would you say that this movie that you're doing is career-changing acting-wise?
Yes. I feel like this one, since it's far different from the previous ones I've done, like, yun nga, it's my first project naman, outside of a love team. Syempre may takot at first kasi nga, I'm so used to working with Donnie, and I love working with Donnie. So parang,
You love what?
grabe naman.
Nabingi lang ako ng konti. Ito naman. O, go na.
Ayun, syempre may kaba. May kaba. Pero at the same time, parang sabi ko, wow, this is something new.
Right.
This is something that, you know, I want to grow, and I'm always open to growth, and I'm always open to learning more. And both of us have been vocal about it. Now we're always there to actually just support each other and, you know, champion each other in terms of our growth, whether that's with each other or, you know, apart from each other.
Saka it's time. Diba? It's time to, kind of spread the wings, diba? Kahit
Yes.
paano. Para at least nga, tama ka, your favorite word is growth.
Yes,
Diba?
growth.
Next question is from Neil Ramos of Tempo. Where do you see yourself? Don't worry, hindi masyado malayo. 2 years from now.
But 2 years.
I know, right? Actually, yun yung tanong ko kanina. Ba't kaya
But
2
2
years?
years po
Hindi man lang
kaya.
5 years or something.
2 years.
So 2 years, you'll be what then?
25.
Still young?
But 2 years
2
po.
years lang, Roldan, eh, no? Hindi man lang 5,
Maiba-
di ba? 2 years.
Bakit po 2 years? Hindi ko talaga.
Asa ba si Neil? Di ba si Neil? Wala si Neil.
2 years.
So
25.
parang quarter life. No, quarter life. Yeah, that makes sense now.
Siguro I'll be doing more roles that is really gonna challenge me as an actress. Maybe that time I may have written, you know, a couple songs na talaga. I don't know what's gonna happen in 2 years.
Weird question. Actress, sabi mo.
Yes.
Paano pag ni-require na kalbuhin ka?
Grabe naman.
Natalie Portman. Right?
Kalbuhin? Oh my gosh.
Hindi, ganun challenge lang. Parang, kasi, di ba, minsan may mga roles talaga na,
Yes.
"Ugh."
I mean, I think the beauty of acting nga is that like you get to portray different roles, and even if it takes you to that challenge
Level, di ba?
level, you really have to submit to
I
it.
know.
Yeah, and that's the beauty of it. Yun nga yung challenge na sinasabi ko. Pero hindi ko kaya magpaalam
I
sa hair ko. I
know!
love my hair.
Wag muna. Love
no.
na ng sunsilk.
Yes.
Diba? Naisingit na. Okay, I think that's it. That wraps up our question from our friends from the
Thank you
press.
so much po.
Maraming salamat po. Again, congratulations,
Thank
Belle,
you.
on this new milestone. I'm sure more blessings will come your way. And siguro hingan ka na lang namin ng iyong message for your fans because right now they're nakatutok sa ating live stream and sharing their love for you. Please.
Hello po to everyone that's watching us, to all my supporters. Thank you so much. I can't thank you guys enough, and I dedicate all the years to you guys. Thank you so much because you guys are one of my greatest inspiration why I do what I love doing. And thank you so much for being a reason for me to want to do better. And I love you guys all so much.
Okay, last question. Ano naman, go sa mga last question eh.
Yes.
Kanina, I love working with Donnie. Gumanong ka, di ba? Pwede namang like yung gamitin na word, pero bakit love?
Bakit? Wala yun doon.
Wala sa script.
Of course.
Because
I really-
that word defines that kind of working relationship you have with him.
I think because we already have that dynamic talaga on set. It really feels nice to work with him, and yun nga, throughout we get to witness each other's growth too.
Right.
And that's something I love. I love to grow with him too. I love to venture and, nakaka-proud kasi we started Don Bell, 5 years ago?
Yes.
And then now, he's doing a project with Kyle, and now I'm doing this project naman with Sina Papa P. And nakakatuwa, syempre. And I will always treasure what we do together.
Right. And we can't wait to see more of what you will offer. Ngayon nakapirma ka ulit
Thank you.
with ABS-CBN and Star Magic. Palakpakan natin. Bel Mariano,
Thank you so
maraming
much
salamat.
po.
Thank you so much for joining us this afternoon. This has been MJ Felipe and enjoy the rest of your day. Love you, Bel.